Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to another episode of Junk Journal July for 2025. Let's grab our junk journals and dive in today's prompt of field notes for day 23. As always, first I have a little search through my junk journal, so we're going on a mini stationary journal field trip to find the right free page for field notes. And it's getting harder and harder each day, but then I did found this spread which has already the book pages with the nature-inspired illustrations that I thought would fit perfectly, and then I decided to get out again the old water-damaged book about botanicals, and this time not only include the illustration of the flower, but also include the whole page with the information. So here I did tore the edges of the spread to make it a bit more stylized, and I did tear up the name of the plant in the bottom to make that fit on top, because if I had left it at the bottom of the spread it would be covered up later with the illustration. So now I'm just getting out some different old book pages and making a bit of a collage. I had to first think about the field notes theme and decide if I wanted to illustrate a field note about something myself, or for now I decided to just go with another collage heavy spread because I liked yesterday's so much, and it's, I don't know, a bit more easy because I didn't have any idea of subject I wanted to create a complete field note spread on, so that was maybe the main point why I decided to just make it a collage thing about one of the plants from the old book to just make my life a bit more easy. So here I'm just cutting out the illustration to add it to the spread. Can't wait to dive into your videos and see what kind of field notes you took for today's prompt. It's so great to see all your beautiful creations, and can't wait to see those for today. Thanks also for all the lovely comments and feedback on my Junk Journal July videos. They really make my day and keep me pushing through this challenge. And I can't really believe we're nearly at the end. There's a bit more than a week. It feels like we started yesterday in a way. And I really have to figure out what kind of creative outlet I will start afterwards. I don't know, I always feel so highly motivated in these challenge months, and also that it is a big commitment and you have to push yourself to create something. It's also so satisfying to know that you created something on a daily basis. So I really want to try to keep the habit going in a way, and just have to figure out a way how it could fit and how I will build it into a video series for the channel, hopefully. I will let you know as soon as I figure that out. Or maybe it's a big surprise for the beginning of August. We will see. There's definitely one thing that I will shoot an unboxing and first try run in a way very soon. That is ready for August, and that will definitely be something that I want to more incorporate into my creative journey again. But I won't tell the secret now what it is all about, so stay tuned for that. And if you aren't yet a subscriber to join me on my creative adventures and want to stay to get inspiration, hit the subscribe button down below to go on some creative adventures with me and hopefully everyone. If you have any recommendations of creative projects you would like me to try or figure out, let me know in the comments down as well. Would be interesting to see what you would like me to try. But I have definitely some plans for August and can't wait to dive into those as well. Here I'm just figuring out which stickers could also fit the field note vibes and the spread. But it was a bit difficult, and I decided then on this just small leaf because I was a bit debating on if it's already enough illustrations on the spread or maybe should add some stickers or not. So that's why I did decide on first adding the field notes title for today before adding the sticker. Now this is the final look at today's spread. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session and you had some fun creating alongside with me. If you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Happy creating!